Laibagasi Himalayan region Valta Lairiba state singda climate change ki chaitheng oina lau singu ishingi resource miyam gi haksel punchi mahing amadi food security yauna khunai asida sel thum gi oiba khudong chadaba kaya thengnari haina chief secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goel na phongdokre Directorate of Environment and Climate Change na sinduna hayeng phawbo chathagadaba Indian Himalayan Region Climate Change Conclave hodokpaki thoramda wafam asi phongdokhibani Imphal gi Palace Compound da laiba City Convention Center da chathariba Conclave asida Manipur yauna Himalayan Region State sing tongan by state singi institution college amasung university singdagi mahairoi scientist yauna research scholar kayan amadi delegate kayana saruk yaki Conclave hodokpagi thoram aduda Dr. Punit na makha taraduna nongchu nungsa yauna aing asagi changda chauna ahongba kaya lakpa atenba matamda ka hena nongchuba yauna ichau amadi ikangi khudong chadaba fivam kaya thengnari asigumba challenge sing asi hantha hannaba amadi thengnabagi damak state asidasu wetland amasung spring water sing kanba yauna tung koigadaba khongthang kaya paikhatli masida environment department ke maikai dagi shu maruoina thodang lauduna paikhatpa yaba thabak thoram kaya lepalaitana paikhatli haiki thoram asigi manung channa chief secretary na climate change adaptation ge photo amasung 3D model yauna fine arts exhibition amasu hodokhi
This conclave, I know it's very important, it is significant in fostering co-learning and collaboration among Himalayan states. A lot of challenges before us, which are indeed significant, but through our collective resolve and cooperation, we can bring about meaningful change. Let us harness our shared strength to tackle climate change, advance sustainable development, and secure a brighter, more resilient future for the people of Manipur and the entire Himalayan region.